Our planet is overflowing with garbage. It's a problem that grows bigger every day. What if we could blast our trash into space? Imagine it. Rockets carrying our waste away from Earth. No more landfills, no more pollution. Sounds like science fiction? It might be more complicated than that. Shooting trash into space seems like an easy solution, but is it really a good idea? Let's explore the possibilities and the challenges of this cosmic garbage disposal. We'll delve into the science, the costs, and the potential consequences. Fasten your seatbelts, space travelers, as we embark on a journey to explore the feasibility of launching our trash into the cosmos. Planet Earth, a blue oasis in the vastness of space. From the serene view of space, it looks like a peaceful, unblemished gem. But down on the surface, the reality is quite different. It's home to over 8 billion people, and that number keeps growing. Our cities are bustling, our streets are crowded, and our resources are being stretched to their limits. More people mean more consumption and more waste. Every product we buy, every meal we eat, and every item we discard adds to the growing problem. Every year we produce mountains of trash. These landfills are not just eyesores, they are ticking time bombs of environmental hazards. This garbage pollutes our land, water, and air. Toxic chemicals seep into the soil, rivers become clogged with debris, and the air we breathe is filled with harmful pollutants. It threatens the health of our planet and all its inhabitants. Wildlife suffers, ecosystems are disrupted, and the balance of nature is thrown off course. We generate over 2 billion tons of municipal solid waste annually. This is a staggering amount that continues to grow with each passing year. That's like burying the entire island of Manhattan under trash twice a year. Imagine the iconic skyline of New York City, completely submerged in waste. Some propose radical solutions like launching it into space. This idea, while intriguing, comes with its own set of challenges and risks. But before we blast our garbage into orbit, let's consider the feasibility and implications of such an endeavor. The future of our planet depends on the choices we make today. Launching anything into space requires powerful rockets and a lot of fuel. To send trash into space, we would need a constant stream of rockets blasting off. This would require immense resources and infrastructure. Imagine giant cannons, launching capsules filled with compacted trash. These capsules would need to reach escape velocity, breaking free from Earth's gravitational pull. This requires incredible speed and energy. While the concept might seem straightforward, the logistics are incredibly complex and challenging. The sheer volume of trash we produce poses a significant hurdle. Launching it all into space would require an astronomical number of rocket launches. Could we realistically handle such a massive undertaking? 4. The price of space trash, astronomical costs and risks. Launching anything into space is expensive. Each rocket launch costs millions, even billions of dollars. Now imagine the cost of launching millions of tons of trash every year. The financial burden would be astronomical, but the cost isn't the only concern. Rocket launches are inherently risky. Accidents happen. Remember the Challenger disaster? Now imagine a rocket carrying trash exploding shortly after launch. The environmental consequences could be catastrophic. The debris from failed launches would add to the growing problem of space junk. This debris poses a serious threat to satellites and even the International Space Station. Launching trash into space could create more problems than it solves. 5. Space junk, a growing hazard. Space might seem vast and empty, but it's actually quite crowded. Thousands of satellites orbit Earth, relaying communication signals, providing GPS data, and observing our planet. But lurking among these vital tools are millions of pieces of space junk. This debris consists of defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and fragments from collisions. These objects travel at incredibly high speeds. Even a small piece of debris can cause significant damage upon impact. Imagine a tiny paint chip hitting a satellite at thousands of miles per hour. The results could be catastrophic. Space junk is a growing problem that threatens our space infrastructure and future space exploration. Adding trash to the mix would only exacerbate this already serious issue. We need to find responsible solutions for our waste, both on Earth and in space. 6. Down-to-earth solutions. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Before we look to the stars for solutions, we must address the root of the problem here on Earth. Our planet is suffering from the consequences of our actions, and it's up to us to make a change. We need to reduce our consumption, reuse what we can, and recycle whenever possible. Simple actions like using reusable bags and containers can have a significant impact. These three R's are not just catchy slogans, they are essential steps towards a sustainable future. Educating the younger generation about these practices is crucial for long-term change. Reducing our reliance on single-use plastics is crucial. By refusing plastic straws and opting for metal or bamboo alternatives, we can significantly cut down on plastic waste. We can choose reusable bags, water bottles, and food containers. These small changes in our daily habits can collectively make a big difference. Supporting companies that prioritize sustainable packaging can make a difference. Look for products with eco-friendly labels and support businesses that are committed to reducing their environmental footprint. Recycling plays a vital role in reducing waste. It helps conserve natural resources and reduces the need for new raw materials. By properly sorting and recycling materials like paper, we ensure that they can be effectively processed and reused. Plastic and glass, we can significantly reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. We can conserve resources and minimize landfill space. Composting organic waste like food scraps and yard trimmings is another effective way to reduce waste. Can reduce methane emissions from landfills and create nutrient-rich soil. This soil can then be used to enrich gardens and farms, promoting healthier plant growth. By embracing these practices, we can lessen our environmental impact and create a cleaner, healthier planet. Every small action counts, and together we can make a big difference. 7. Space-age recycling, a glimpse into the future. While launching trash into space might not be feasible, space exploration is driving innovation in waste management. The quest to explore the cosmos has led scientists and engineers to think outside the box, developing new methods to handle waste in the most efficient ways possible. NASA and other space agencies are developing cutting-edge technologies to recycle and reuse resources in space. These efforts are crucial for long-duration missions where resupplying from Earth is not an option. Imagine a future where spacecraft are equipped with advanced recycling systems, transforming waste into usable resources like water, oxygen, and even building materials. Prototypes are already being tested and the results are promising. These closed-loop systems would minimize waste and reduce the need to launch supplies from Earth. This technology could also have significant implications for long-term space colonization. These space-age technologies have the potential to revolutionize waste management here on Earth. The principles and systems developed for space can be adapted to address our planet's waste challenges. By adapting these innovations for terrestrial applications, we can create more sustainable and efficient waste management systems. The benefits of space research extend far beyond the stars, impacting our daily lives in profound ways. The challenges of waste management in space are pushing the boundaries of science and technology. These advancements are not only crucial for space exploration but also offer valuable insights for improving waste management on Earth. These advancements could pave the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future both on our planet and beyond. By leveraging the technologies developed for space, we can create a world where waste is efficiently managed, resources are conserved, and the environment is protected for future generations.